Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can easily and fast change the prone animations or the crouching animations on your avatar with GoGo Loco. So first you need to install GoGo Loco onto your avatar, which I've done already. And I have a tutorial just for that, so you can watch that if you want. But after you're done with putting on your avatar, as we can see here, you need to find the correct Blendtrees with the animations. So how do you do that? You go to the GoGo Loco folder, you go to the animations folder, then the locomotion folder, you open it. Then you're gonna open the desktop and VR folders like this. And in the desktop idle and VR idle, you're gonna find these Blendtrees. So this is where we're going to be changing our animations in the prone idle, crouch idle, and you can also change them in the stand idle if you want to. So first we're going to change the desktop idle for prone. So we find the Blendtree right here, we click it. And here we can click this animation. And I'm gonna change it for a different one. The first slot is the default option. So for prone, let's see, how about a side sit? What does it look like? Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we have a side sit. And we go to the controller for VR as well. Prone idle, there we go. And then we find side sit again. And we put it there also. So it's the same for both desktop or VR. But if you want it to be different in VR and desktop, you can do that as well. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how to change the crouching as well. The default crouching. So we go to the controller again, but this one, this time is the crouch idle, this one. And you can see this is the default crouch. So you can change it to something else. For example, kneeling, why not? There you go. And then you go into the VR and you do the same thing again in the VR crouch idle, there we go. And we put it there. And now we can test everything using Gesture Manager, which I'm gonna put in the description. It's a very nice tool that basically emulates VRCHat inside of Unity. So you don't have to upload the avatar to test most of things. It saves a lot of time and I definitely recommend you start using it. So after you're done putting the package in with the Gesture Manager, put the Gesture Manager in the scene by going to Tools and Gesture Manager Emulator. Then you click the play button and it's gonna load for a bit. There we go, click scene. Now you can see I have the Gesture Manager selected and it offers me the menu with my avatar. If you have more avatars in the scene, it might not select the correct one at first, so we just click and drag the correct avatar and put it in this slot and it's gonna work. So now we're gonna go to debug and we're gonna change the upright value from 1 to 0.5. And this is the crouching and you can see the animation is changed like we want it to. And if we change it to 0.1, that's prone, so she's sitting down. And now we have tested everything in Unity. This is going to work in VRCHat. Most of the time it does, but this is not anything difficult, so it should be fine. So this is how you change the prone or crouch animation. And the same way you can change the stand animation too. So let me know what you think, comment, and I'll see you later.